Alright, I think we've got it hand tight, which is good. As you can see, I still have the floss attached to it, just in case, but it's in. And the good news is it's pretty easy to screw in from the beginning, so to hand tighten it, and you can tell this is just a magnet, and the magnet itself can push it along. So it's a good idea to know that it's going in nice and smoothly and you're not ruining the threads. So I'll keep going, hand tightening it, and then I'll test it before I tighten it up all the way.